Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see how the ARP protocol work in a LAN environment. ARP protocol is the address resolution protocol. It is the protocol used to resolve the IP address to the MAC address. Why MAC address is needed? Because the lower layers, data link and physical layers only understand the MAC layer, so MAC address, so that it can deliver the packet to the intended device. Now, in our environment, we have taken two PC and one LAN switch. The first PC have the IPS 192.168.1.1 and the MAC starts with 00. And we have PC2 in the same network with the IPS 1.2 and the MAC starts with AA. Now we have a LAN switch connecting these two devices. In the LAN switch, the first port is connected to the PC1 and the second port is connected to the PC2. Here, the ARP table of the PC1 contains only its own IP address, which is resolved to its own MAC. The route table contains the direct connected network 1.0. Since it is the same network, no gateway has been given. In the PC2, it also learnt only about its own IP address, and in the route table, the same 1.0 is there. But ultimately, PC1 should know the MAC of PC2 so that it can use it for the reachability purpose. Either it can be an ICMP ping or any other protocol. Now the MAC address table of switch is empty because since it is the initial stage, it doesn't know about the connected devices. Now PC1 wants to know the IP of basically it has the IP 1.2 and it wants the MAC address. Now it will create a ARP request. So in the ARP request, the destination MAC will be a broadcast address FF. This means the frame has to be broadcasted to everyone so that the intended recipient will respond to it. This ARP request will be sent to the switch, and ultimately in this process the switch will learn about the MAC address of the PC1 and where it is connected, so that the next time someone wants to communicate to PC1, it will send it via the port 1 and it will broadcast the frame since it doesn't know since it is a broadcast address, right? So it will broadcast to PC1 and PC2. Now PC1 will ignore it. PC2 is the internet recipient, so it has to reply back with the ARP reply. In the ARP reply, it will put the source MAC as its MAC address and destination MAC will be PC1. This ARP reply will be sent via the switch. In this process, the switch will learn about the PC2 MAC also, or where it is connected. Now the PC reply has been sent back to the PC1. This is the final table of both PC1 and PC2. In PC1, we have seen that it also learnt about the IP and MAC resolution of the PC2, and PC1 also vice versa, it has learnt about the PC1. The route table, there is no change because it's a local area network. Within the network we have considered, and MAC address table also, it has learnt about both PC1's address and PC2 address. So this is how the ARP protocol has been worked in the LAN environment. In the next video, let's see in the scenario where routers are involved in the layer 3 environment. Hope you had a good learning in this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.